85 buzzing nice with a 4.3 motor in it. Don't even sound like it though. Dual pipe look good, sound good, better than everybody agrees, better than what we thought, man. You know what I'm saying? 85 Caprice, all original. You know what I'm saying? I'm a two-tone this bitch though. Throw a red pinstripe down this motherfucker. The motherfucker sound good though. Looking good, chromed out everywhere. Tips made it even better. Yeah, man, sorry my hand's shaking. If it seems like I'm shaking around.
Been doing this shit for a minute, consider the vet. A lot of niggas want me to fail cause they know that I'm next. That's damn near.
Little something for the YouTube, man. Might post this shit on my book in the page, but you know. Why y'all put that V8 in here? It's gonna really be rumbling. Best V6 in KC, man. My V6 is the best, man. You hear it. You hear it for yourself.
Living like I'm feeling mostly high off the
Yeah, proof in the pudding, man. You see it, you hear it. Sheet loafing. Nah, no shit, I'm tripping. That's Nasty Nate, man. Nasty Nate, man. Them tailpipes is his nut sacks, man. Them is his nut sacks right there. The mufflers under here. Oh, you can't even see it right now. I gotta have a light on, but they look clean under there.